Good morning, guys. We're meant to wake up at 5 and it is like 8 a.m. We're just gonna go to where the hotel owner recommended yesterday. There's like a hill, a waterfall, and a cold water spring pool or something. So yeah. I'm actually really tired. And I feel like I'm getting a cold because of the AC. Damn, I look so fat. Yo guys, we made it up here. Whew. I'm joking, it's about 2 seconds hike. Look at that. Why do you need to go all the way to Chocolate Hills to see Chocolate Hills when you can see it from here? We're actually in one of them. So yeah. Cabin we get falls. I'll write it down below, and this is more my type. There's only one other couple here, and the falls behind me, and it's empty. I don't know why it's empty, but if you guys are gonna come here, come at your own risk, man, or hire a 4x4 and a professional driver, rally driver, because I swear I was gonna crash so many times. Guys, so if you guys want to come to waterfall, this waterfall I kind of recommend. It is a bit difficult to get to because it's like off-roading, and there is one really pretty dangerous road, but it is worth it. There's rice terraces right here as well, and we're gonna go check it out. If my face is in the camera, just bear with it. Basically this hill doesn't look that bad, but when you go, it's like crazy mad. Like I nearly slipped there multiple times, same with him, and that's the dangerous one, so just be careful if you guys do come here. So I don't know if this is where we're meant to be, but there are rice terraces everywhere, and we just stopped here. I think we're meant to go further ahead, but just look at this. Wait, drone footage coming in 3, 2, 1. Oh, there you go. finished eating our lunch and that was delicious. So this is the viewing hut apparently. The view is incredible. Oh, if you guys want, you can actually stay here overnight. Well, here as in somewhere here, you can. But this view is too incredible, guys. Like, I seriously recommend you guys come and do not miss this place out. If you guys come Philippines, definitely recommended. So far with all the places I've seen in Philippines, Kawasan Fall was a no-no. Whale shark, yeah, it's a nice experience. Canyoneering, definitely. And this, 100% yes. As you can see, we're having a boat ride. We're on a boat. We are having a boat ride. On a boat ride. I'm too tired for my English to be working properly right now. But we're on a boat, on a boat, and we're paddling, something. This is relaxing. So our hotel's over there, where you can see that little rock there.
How far can we go to?
And then that's Laz. So we are back in the hotel after the boat ride. Me being me, I forgot to take my little camera, so I didn't even get to show you what it's like underwater and stuff. Tough luck, but it was pretty sick. You got to see them fishes, and yeah, now we're just gonna head back. Gonna get changed, get ready, pack, and then head back to Takmalala or something, and then yeah. Hello guys, so thank you for watching my video. That was my Bohol vlog part 2, I think. So I've got part 3 coming out next. I am currently in Germany for Christmas to see my family. Just finished my trip to Myanmar. So yeah, there's a lot of content I should be posting, but I've been so busy, haven't had the time. But yeah, if you do like this vlog, do like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Bakayaro. And yeah, my next vlog should be about Bohol as well. But after Philippines vlog, it'll be about Bali if you guys are interested. So keep updated. Keep stay tuned. And I'll see you next time.